Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived an old man and his 3 sons.
You never listen to me because you are always wrong. Stop blaming me. They fought every day.
Why do my sons always fight? They don't understand unity.
My sons, come closer. I want to teach you something important.
My dear sons, take 1 stick each and break it.
That was easy. So simple. Anyone can do this.
You easily break 1 stick. Now, try to break this bundle.
It's too strong. I can't break it. This is impossible.
When you are alone, you are weak. But together, you are strong. No one can break you.
We were wrong. We kept fighting. Forgive us, Father.
We will stay united forever. Now I am happy. Remember, together you are strong.
Unity is strength. Together we are strong.